All right, so now we're going to show you a different method for doing long division problems that is similar to the traditional method, but it's a little bit different, and we'll show you how. Basically, all we're using is the kids' basic multiplication facts to help them figure out what the answer is to this division problem. Here's what it looks like. So I'm going to do a 3-digit divided by 1-digit problem. So if I have, let's say, 426, and I share that with 5 groups. Okay? So since we call this, the reason it's called the ladder method is because we draw this down here and it kind of looks like a ladder going across. And we make a couple lines like this. Now what we do then is we think about, can I share 4 things with 5 groups and everybody get at least one thing? And the answer is no. So then I come over to the next number and I do 42. Can I share 42 things with 5 groups and everybody get at least one? Yes, I can. Okay? So I think, now here's where I use my basic facts. I think 5 times what gets me close to 42? Well, 5 times 8 is 40, so 8. But then we still have the ones place over here, so I'm going to put a 0 for my ones place. Because if 5 times 8 is 40, then 5 times 80 is 400. So that would be 400. And this 400 comes over here. So then I put 400 here, and then I subtract. So I have 6 minus 0 is 6. Then I have 2 minus 0 is 2. And 4 minus 4 is 0. So I'm not going to put anything there. Okay, now I have 26 leftovers. So 26 is still can be shared with 5 things, and everybody get at least one. So I'm not done yet. So now I think about, we have 5 times what gets me close to 26. So that would be 5 times 5. That's just a basic fact, is 25. So then my 25 comes over here. And I subtract, and I have 1 left over. Now my leftover here, I have 1 thing left over, and I can't share 1 thing with 5 groups, and everybody get at least 1 whole thing. So that tells me that this is my remainder. So now where my answer comes from is my 5 came from here. My 400 and my 25, they both went into my problem. So the only numbers I have left are these right here. So if I take 80 and 5 and add them together, that is 85, and I have a remainder of 1. So if I'm going to take 426 candy bars and I'm going to share them with 5 people, everybody's going to get 85 of them, and I'm going to have 1 candy bar left over that needs to be split. That's how you solve a 3-digit divided by 1-digit division problem using the ladder division method.